The kitchen is full of repetitive tasks that a smart home can handle automatically. These 5 automations make your kitchen more efficient, safer, and a little more enjoyable every morning. Number 1, auto coffee on wake up. A smart plug on your coffee maker set to your alarm time means coffee is brewed and hot before you step into the kitchen. Use any standard drip coffee maker. The one requirement is that it has a physical on switch, not just a touch screen. At €15, this is the highest return on enjoyment investment in smart home. Number 2, dishwasher done alert. A smart plug monitors the power consumption of your dishwasher. When the cycle finishes, the power draw drops dramatically. Your smart home detects this drop and sends a notification to your phone. Dishwasher done. No more forgetting dishes sitting in there for 3 hours. Works with any dishwasher and any energy monitoring smart plug. Number 3, fridge temperature monitoring. A small temperature sensor placed inside your fridge sends an alert if the temperature rises above safe levels, indicating a door left open or a compressor starting to fail. Catching this early prevents spoiled food and potentially a very expensive repair. The Aqara temperature sensor is small enough to fit on any shelf. Number 4, under cabinet motion lighting. A motion sensor mounted at counter height triggers LED strip lights under the cabinets when you approach the counter. Perfect for early morning prep without turning on the main kitchen lights. Warm, low brightness strip light at 6 a.m. is far more pleasant than overhead fluorescence. The setup takes about 30 minutes and costs under €40. Number 5, oven left on alert. A smart plug on the oven sends an alert after 30 minutes of continuous operation, a customizable reminder that you left it on when everyone left the house. This is one of those automations that gives genuine peace of mind. You can extend it with a home away trigger. If all phones leave and the oven has been on for more than 20 minutes, send an urgent alert. The coffee automation alone is worth setting up today. It takes 5 minutes and improves every morning. The dishwasher alert is the next most useful. Add the others as you expand your kitchen setup. Follow for more smart home automation ideas every day.